Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. As part of being frugal, I renovate bits of second-hand furniture. This bedside cabinet cost me £10 in a children's charity shop called Bernardo's. It's had one coat of paint sort of just roughly put on, but it still needs some work. I've scrubbed the top of this lid. This sort of floral padded fabric which is original to the bedside. I can't get the stains out, so I've tried it with washing powder. I'll probably give it another go just to see if I can do it. And you can see there on the inside it's a bit messy. The inside you can see just a rough coat of put on the door, and on the inside it's made of loomy type fabric weave. It's not Lloyd Loom, it's very similar. It's probably made by a company called Craft with a K. They often made stuff during the same period from about the 1930s to about the 60s. So it's got a wood frame, but looking a bit tatty. So what I've decided to do is, give it another coat of paint, sort it out that way, because I've got lots of pots of paint left over. And I might give the door and in this leftover paint called Mineral Mist by Dulux, it's just emulsion paint. I might paint the insides of it in the blue, and here on the little ledge and on the inside of the door I'm hoping to put some wallpaper. I've got some wallpaper left over. I bought one roll from the charity shop Bernardo's, cost me £2. Still got a bit over, so I thought, right, I'm going to use it because it's going in the same bedroom that's got this wallpaper. I also put it in my pantry, which is just right by me. Give you a quick little look, see. It's on the back of the wall there. So, yeah, I thought, well, waste not, what not. This paper originally was about £28–29. I looked it up, B&Q was selling it. It was a fresco wallpaper. And I paid £2 for it at Bernardo. So I literally had my money's worth out of it. Because, like I said, I've done the bedroom wall, I've done inside my pantry, and now I'm going to do the inside of the bedside. So I'll give you an update in a few days, because I'm just doing it a little bit at a time, because I've got other little jobs to be doing in the kitchen, because I'm planning on boxing in the pipes under the boiler and making a start and making a banquette, a bench, storage bench in the kitchen, so I can store some prep, so when I get some water and stuff like that in there. So it's sort of neatly tucked out of the way, and it's there in case of emergencies. Have you got an old bedside like this? I think everyone had them, didn't they? The mums and the nanas used to have them. And it'll probably outlast the stuff that you get from the likes of IKEA and the Range or wherever you go shopping, because things today are made so poorly with a big price, poor quality, high price. But these, I think, will probably outlive us. So I thought, give it a bit of glam and give us some wallpaper. Please like, share and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And thanks so much for watching and getting to the end of my video ramblings. Bye for now.